May's a very good time to be in the garden in New Zealand. The days are a little shorter, but the soil is still warm, and if we've had some rain, it's nice and easy to work. So here is a checklist of what you could be doing in your garden in New Zealand this May. A good plant to be putting in your garden in New Zealand this month is camellias. They're very hardy and they survive winter very well, and they flower all the way through to spring. And when they're not producing this beautiful bloom, they have a great glossy foliage. You can plant them pretty much anywhere. They'll shrug off a light frost, but they do need some shade, especially when the sun and heat return. It's a good time to be putting in bulbs now for spring flowering, and even though it's cooler, there are still lots of different edibles that you can plant in your garden. Your garden bed will be ready for seeds of beetroot, broccoli, cabbages, carrots and lots more. And you could be planting your first strawberries. They'll be established sooner and will fruit earlier. And if you're unsure what to do, come into Bunnings and talk to one of our friendly garden experts. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with receipt and we will refund it. So here are some of the things you can harvest from your garden in May. There's pumpkin, passion fruit, rocket, apples and beetroot. May is a good pruning time, so prune any summer flowering shrubs and trees, like hydrangeas. Autumn to winter growth is slow, but plants still need a bit of help. So feed herbs and wintergreens once a month with an organic seaweed tonic. This will help build plant resilience and promote strong root growth. Feed already planted bulbs too, so they will give you good flowers in spring. In May there's lots to do in the garden, so get out there and do it, and the rewards will be well worth it. Click here for more garden advice, or click here to go back to the website.